Hello guys, I hope you are quite well. These are online course education, Google Slide template by BulkGFX. You just need to extract files. Okay, so now you will get this file. Here this is documentation, readme.js PDF file. It's a guide type material, and this is readme info. And here is the main file, which is online course education Google Slide. This is your main. This is completely editable. You can edit them in any way you want. You need used to this to make your own. There are total 36 pages and you can edit them. Add your just give it, and this is completely editable. You can use it to make your own. This is template, premium template. I just providing you for free, so you can download this from the link in the description. When you click on this link, you will come to this link, to this website, BulkGFX. So when you come here, here is something, and this is the download. Now you need to wait for 30 seconds to show this button, and just click it, and with the help of this you can download from here. So if you want to leave any comment, you can leave here. So thanks for watching the video. If you will found this data useful for you, so please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Take care.